For Samsung phones are the most popular smartphones among Android brands, but what if our Samsung Android phone starts showing up errors like black screen, frozen screen or unresponsive display? Well, then we will surely try to fix them, but then question comes to mind: how to fix Samsung Android phone system errors? Well, you need not to worry, as that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Watch this video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in the description and pin comment to fix Samsung phone black screen issue. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to fix Samsung Android phone black screen issue. That's not it, I will show you all an all-in-one solution that covers almost all Android OS problems. So yes, you can not only fix Samsung phone black screen issue, but can also find solution for touch screen not working, apps keep crashing, camera failed, frozen screen, stuck on Samsung logo, boot loop and many more. First, this can be very useful if there is no severe hardware problem on your Samsung Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's start and know how to fix Samsung black screen issue. And for this, we will be using DroidKit from iMobile. DroidKit can fix system issues and revive your crashed phone in minutes. It supports almost all models of Samsung devices. The best part, it is a reliable solution that has highest success rate, and there is no need of technical knowledge and no root is required. Wow, that's just insane. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading, and once iMobile DroidKit free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have DroidKit with all its features and capabilities. First, we can do so much with DroidKit, but today I wanna show you all how to fix Samsung Android phone black screen issue, and for that, here we are back on DroidKit. Now click on System Fix. Next, connect Samsung Android phone to computer by USB cable and click on Start. Once device matching is completed, click on Download Now. It starts downloading firmware package. It may take some time depending on internet speed. Once download completes, click on Fix Now. Now follow the steps to put your Samsung phone into download mode. Once done, click on Next. It starts fixing the system issue. Within few seconds, process completes, and here it shows system fixed successfully. Pause. Now your Samsung Android phone will be required to be set up as a new phone, and once done, here we have fixed our Samsung Android phone black screen issue. Wow, that was so easy, is not it? Same way you can also fix Samsung phone system errors using DroidKit. Now you may ask, is DroidKit free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's show our DroidKit pricing plans. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on See Pricing. Here we have different pricing plans. You can choose one as per your requirement. First, I will highly recommend you to try out DroidKit if you are looking to fix Samsung Android phone system errors, and if you want to, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you ever forgot Apple ID password? Well, if you are facing any issues like this video is for you. Want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from Android phone without backup? If yes, this video is for you.